Forged in fire and time, this primal earth whispers stories of creation, a testament to the raw power beneath our feet. Precision is paramount in the field lab. Each core of dark soil provides a detailed snapshot, allowing for meticulous analysis of the Earth's health. This single seed represents the culmination of years of research, a tiny vessel holding the promise of tomorrow's harvest.
In this climate-controlled environment, every drop of moisture is precisely calibrated to ensure the seedlings reach their full potential.
Here we witness the miracle of germination. Fueled by ancient sunlight, the nascent life breaks free from the Earth's embrace.
By overlaying the planting grid, we bring order and efficiency to the fertile earth below.
Bathed in sunlight, the healthy eggplant plant draws life from the rich, dark soil. Through the magic of time-lapse, we witness the rapid ascent of the eggplant, nurtured by the rich soil and steady irrigation. Fed by the bright sun and the steady drip of irrigation, this mature plant bends under the weight of its abundant, dark purple harvest.
Utilizing advanced sensor technology, the drone meticulously monitors the health of the eggplant fields, gathering crucial data for the harvest.
With the first light of dawn, the rhythm of the farm begins. Awaiting the full warmth of the sun, the harvest stands ready.
Harvested at peak ripeness, these glossy fruits represent the farmer's skill and dedication.
The precise cut, executed cleanly just above the calyx, is essential for maximizing the yield and preserving the delicate structure of the plant.
The harvest requires precision. Workers must gently place the delicate eggplants in a specific interlocking pattern to prevent bruising during transport.
At the field collection point, organization is key. These crates represent weeks of labor, now ready for the next stage of their journey.
Day after day, the trucks push onward, carrying their vital cargo through the heartland. They are the backbone of the supply chain.
The hum you hear is the sound of preservation. Inside this trailer, time moves differently.
The arrival of the transport fleet signals the start of another demanding cycle within this industrial marvel.
The margin for error is non-existent. Every movement must be calculated, ensuring a perfect seal between the trailer and the bay. As the restraint arm rises, it locks the truck wheel securely in place, a critical safety measure in modern logistics.
Utilizing immense hydraulic pressure, the vertical tilt ensures rapid and complete unloading of the grain harvest.
Freshly harvested and unblemished, these dark purple fruits, still bearing the subtle green calyx, represent the abundance of the field as they flow into the hopper.
The journey of the eggplant begins here. Powerful jets of air remove the field's dust, preparing the harvest for market.
Submerged in the tank, the vibrant purple yields a dramatic, cleansing splash, captured here in exquisite detail.
Here on the Flume Highway, the freshly harvested eggplants begin their journey to the packing house, carried swiftly by the gentle current.
Here we see the gentle yet vigorous process by which the aubergine is prepared for market. The agitated water ensures a deep clean.
Freshly washed and polished by the journey itself, the eggplants ascend the steep incline, drawn towards the processing light above. At this stage, human workers play a vital role. Carefully inspecting the flow, they identify and remove any imperfections before the batch continues.
Here in the scanning tunnel, the lasers analyze the contours of the eggplants, ensuring only the highest quality produce moves forward.
There is no margin for error here. The sorting mechanism identifies the flaw, and with decisive force, the rejected fruit is removed.
The singulation channels utilize rhythmic vibration to gently guide the eggplants into precise, individual rows. This is the orientator. Its smart rollers spin the eggplants with precision, aligning the delicate green calyx for the next stage.
In the sterile environment of the peeling facility, these stainless steel machines stand ready, transforming the harvest with automated precision.
The process begins with the careful loading of the spikes. Each eggplant must be secured precisely before the peeling mechanism can engage.
A smooth, uninterrupted cut transforms the eggplant, creating this delicate, spiraling ribbon.
A monitor shows the 3D profile of the cut, ensuring minimal flesh loss. The conveyor carries the freshly peeled aubergine, a study in stark, vulnerable purity against the cold steel.
The laser, a precise beam of energy,
slices cleanly through the eggplant, revealing the intricate structure within.
Here we see the seeds, nestled deep within the spongy white texture, the very heart of the eggplant's life cycle. With surgical precision, the vacuum nozzle swiftly extracts the tough calyx remnants. This ensures
The manual trim check is critical. These experienced inspectors, both in their 50s, carefully examine each white.
The eggplant flesh is pushed through the crisscross metal grid, a forceful yet delicate operation resulting in perfect cubes.
Observe the output chute. Plentiful and uniform, hundreds of perfect white eggplant cubes cascade from the machine in this documentary sequence. This high-speed belt utilizes rapid, selective air jets to blast away any discolored or brown eggplant cubes, ensuring consistent quality.
The final ingredient, carefully transported along the conveyor, nearing the moment of sealing. This wall of empty cans represents the beginning of the cycle, a testament to modern efficiency. To guarantee a sterile product, every can is inverted and subjected to a high-pressure air rinse.
Precision is key in modern food production. The volumetric filler meticulously measures the eggplant cubes, ensuring perfect consistency.
The filled cans are gently rattled to settle the cubed eggplants. The boiling liquid, a simple brine, must reach an exact temperature before it can be considered true syrup.
As the thick, hot brine cascades down, it completely engulfs the eggplant cubes, preparing them for the next stage of the journey.
Operating at high speed, the seaming spinner ensures a permanent, airtight seal every time.
Traveling at high speed, each can receives its unique identifier, a crisp digital stamp essential for inventory and quality control.
As you can see, the internal structure remains completely stable. The scan confirms the materials are secure and poses no immediate threat.
Utilizing powerful magnetic force, the automated system carefully lowers the sealed cans into the retort basket, ready for the sterilization cycle. This is the retort hall, a cathedral of sterilization where immense pressure and heat are used in the processing of materials.
The heavy metallic latch secures the final position. The vault is now completely locked, ensuring
The pressure builds relentlessly. Once the gauge hits the red line, the steam cook process is complete. The cooling canal, a vital step where thermal energy is rapidly exchanged, ensuring a refreshing experience with every can. The drying tunnel utilizes powerful air knives to ensure every aluminum can is perfectly dry before the next stage. Here we see the diverter valve in action. The gate swings open, directing the huge, ripe eggplants to a different belt with mechanical precision. The process is destructive, yet powerful. As the whole eggplants enter the chamber, the metal hammers spin rapidly. The centrifugal sieve utilizes intense rotational force, pushing the vibrant liquid through the fine mesh screen. This thick, deep, purple-brown concentrate swirls gently within the massive vat. A smooth, viscous texture. The storage silos, massive structures of steel, are connected by an intricate network of pipes, a testament to modern engineering.
The internal vortex represents the culmination of the blending process, ensuring a perfectly homogeneous mixture. The liquid eggplants is forced through high-pressure tubes, becoming perfectly smooth.
Viscosity is the measure of a fluid's resistance to gradual deformation. Here, the slow rotation reveals the thickness of the paste. The process, known as flash pasteurization, involves heating the product instantly using steam jackets before a rapid cooling cycle. In a rapid time-lapse sequence, the heated preform meets the mold. A sudden puff of air transforms the tube into a precision-engineered bottle.
The air rinse ballet, a symphony of glass and compressed air, ensuring sterility at speeds once thought impossible.
Here in the aseptic filling chamber, the purple puree is dispensed with absolute precision, ensuring sterility and consistency for every bottle.
This is the capping torque, a seemingly simple action, yet critical to the integrity of the product. The heads spin down.
Known as the sleeve shrinker, this machine uses pressurized steam to tightly form the colorful labels around the bottles as they emerge from the bath.
Here at the accumulation table, the bottles gather, shuffling and jostling like a crowd waiting for the gates to open.
Efficiency redefined. These flat sheets are snapped into box shapes instantly, a mesmerizing display of practiced speed.
The march of the bottles. In this facility, precision is paramount. Every bottle aligned, every movement synchronized.
The Delta robots, or spider bots as they are known, move with incredible speed, snatching bottles in a blur of synchronized.
Here we see the culmination of the process, the soft landing. The gripper, moving with surgical precision, ensures a gentle placement every time.
The hot melt adhesive, seen here in extreme macro, forms a powerful bond almost instantly upon contact with the substrate.
Every item must face the swift justice of the check weigher. Approved, the system moves relentlessly forward.
The focused energy of the laser precisely vaporizes the surface, creating a permanent mark. This technology allows for unparalleled detail.
Weighing in at several tons, the heavy lifter demonstrates the sheer power required to move an entire pallet layer at once.
The Tetris logic ensures that each layer is interlocked. This crosshatch pattern is key to maintaining stability, even with the heaviest loads.
Here we see the suction arm deploying the slip sheet, a thin layer of protective cardboard. Behold, the stretch wrap tornado. As the pallet spins with dizzying speed, the polymer film
The SSCC label, a unique identifier slapped onto every pallet that moves through the modern warehouse.
In the factory of the future, intelligence guides the machine. The AGV navigates the floor with silent precision, optimizing every movement. Maintaining temperature is critical. These thermal curtains are the first line of defense against the relentless chill.
They call it the High Bay Cathedral, a silent, towering structure where 30-meter shelves.
Designed for maximum density, these towering systems utilize every cubic foot.
This digital inventory map provides a real-time, three-dimensional overview of the entire warehouse stock.
Deep within the facility, the air itself seems frozen, a testament to the chilling power of industrial preservation.
This demonstrates the principle of FIFO, first in, first out.
Scene 095, the sample retrieval. A single box is diverted from the main line for inspection.
This is the future of molecular science. Inside these sterile walls, the boundaries of what is possible are being redrawn every day.
Held against the light, the culture in the petri dish reveals a microscopic world, isolated and safe for study.
Here, in the sterile environment of the tasting booth, the true profile of the eggplant is revealed.
The spectrum analyzer reveals a significant breakthrough. Note the unprecedented spike in key antioxidant and vitamin compounds. Collected after the harvest, this intermingled pile of eggplant residue, from woody stems to dark purple peels, journeys along the waste belt.
These large white domes are the heart of the facility, converting industrial waste into clean, sustainable energy for the future.
Roaring at extreme temperatures, this vibrant blue flame is fueled entirely by purified eggplant methane. This is the heart of the recycling process. The clarifier tank separates the impurities, allowing
Here, under the endless night sky, the work is tireless. The factory glows, a testament. Here at the processing plant, the sanitation squad is tasked with maintaining absolute sterility. Using high-pressure foam.
Here, amidst the rumble and the beep, the modern loading dock performs its endless ballet. Every movement precise, every shipment critical.
The heavy metal bars are cammed shut, ensuring the container is final and secure.
Day and night, these trucks traverse the scenic routes, bringing their loads ever closer to the bustling port and destinations beyond.
This is the megaport, a sprawling nexus where thousands of colorful containers converge, driving the pulse of global trade. As the sun sets on the industrial harbor, the massive crane engages its hoist. Effortless. Day after day, these massive vessels traverse the open sea, carrying the silent cargo that fuels our modern lives. For the residents of the Fifth Ward, the new market represented more than just fresh produce. It was a sign of renewed investment. Here at the Perfect Shelf, we examine the eggplant empire's finest. Notice the symmetry and deep purple hue, perfectly packaged and visibly fresh. It's no wonder that discerning customers consistently choose Eggplant Empire. Sunlight streams onto the counter, illuminating the rich purple hues of the fresh eggplants. A quiet moment in a warm, domestic setting. In that singular moment, the seal is broken, unleashing a cascade of crisp, accessible freshness. A testament to modern design.
The perfect pour begins with this thick, deep purple-brown concentrate. Notice the smooth, viscous texture.
Neatly organized rows of bright white eggplant slices in uniform cubes, freshly cut with precision machinery.
For young Maya, the simple act of eating is a journey of discovery, a moment of pure, unadulterated joy.
This schematic illustrates the circular economy. A sustainable loop connects the farm, the factory, waste, and energy.
The expansion was unprecedented, connecting the factory floor to distant shores across the world.
Fundamental to all life on Earth is the soil itself, the very beginning of our story.
Designed for precision, the spider robot executes complex maneuvers in milliseconds, a testament to modern engineering.
These seals guarantee our commitment to organic sourcing, fair labor, and zero-waste production.